what's up guys, Chris Benson II, back with another video, and we're back with another reaction video. Today's reaction video is drunk guy tries to fight his fridge and loses. So yeah guys, before we get this video started, hit the like button, subscribe button. Let's react to this video in 3, 2, 1, play. Alright.
Whoa.
What? He tried to slam the fridge door.
I do right now. Head down, man.
Yeah, calm down.
What the fuck with the refrigerator for? You tripping, man? Go lay down, man.
This is why you should never drink, really. What's he trying to do?
Some water, my boy. You tripping, man?
Yeah, get water. Yeah, don't drink beer.
Get out one time, Roy.
He's totally drunk.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! I cannot believe that guy just did that. Oh my gosh!
Man, what the wrong with you, man?
Wow, that was funny. So yeah, that was drunk guy tries to fight his fridge and loses. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.